In this video, we're going to be exploring why water would be running onto your carpet or on your vinyl or hardwood floors. You might feel it when you step that water's coming up and you're pretty sure it's coming from the bathroom somewhere. Well, the one thing that I want you to explore is in your bathtub on the floor where you're getting leaking on your carpet or your laminate or your hardwood is, are you taking baths? Are you bathing a dog? Are you bathing a child? Whatever, are you taking bubble baths? And what's going to happen is the water's coming up over here, and if it's coming up over this line, what's happening is that the gasket is faulty now. It's called a Tub Overflow Gasket, and it's like a little O-ring, and it fits in there. And you could probably do it yourself if you've never done it before, but that would be the culprit. If you're seeing flooding, water dripping underneath your carpet onto underneath the laminate, it's probably coming from the O-ring right here. If you did get a plumber to do it yourself, and you can't do it yourself, you can usually do it for about $100 and $150. The part itself, the little O-ring, only costs like $3 to $10. You can get it on Amazon. But as you can see here, I got a bill here for them to replace the overflow ring, and for parts and labor it was $110, which if you look on Google, that's average from $100 to $150. So basically this is the tub spout. It will seal that back into so where if you have water coming up, and sometimes if you're taking a shower and water's dripping down the wall, it can also, don't count out if you're not taking baths, it is a possibility if you're taking showers that the water would leak down into here as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.